Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to add custom photo as a sticker in your CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, is to click on sticker right here. Next thing you want to do is to swipe this way, continue to swipe, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here, which allow you to import your personal image. So click on that, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on settings. Then what you need to do right here is to click on allow all. Having click on allow all, go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Then click on album right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to settings on your phone to grant access to all photos in CapCut. So for that, I'm going to exit from CapCut right here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I look for settings. I'll go ahead and make sure I go to settings. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Just type in photo. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on photos and video right here. Then go ahead and look for CapCut right here. So we have CapCut right here. Click on CapCut. Allow all. Always allow all. So make sure this is checked. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down under the photos right here. So we have fully give permission to CapCut. Now let's go back to our CapCut right here. Then click on the image again. Now we have given access to CapCut, and we have access to our image right here. So I can easily select any of the image direct from my phone album. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this particular baby as my custom sticker. I'm going to select on it. So having select on it, then it has been successfully added right here. So I can adjust the image as the case may be. Then I can also add animation like this, just like so. So I can change to another type. So everything depends on how you want your sticker to look like. I can rotate as the case may be. I can change the animation to pop out like so, and then let's see the result, just like so. So if you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and click on none. Then I can come back to another type of animation right here. I can decide to use this type of animation right here. I can decide to adjust the size as the case may be and position it where exactly I want. So let's play the video again. So we can also adjust the duration of the animation right here, just like so. So let's find out, just like so. It's that simple. Once you are satisfied with it, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And now let's play the video, just like so. So we can decide to make it start maybe from the middle right here. I can just drag and release it right here. Now let's play the video, and we have it pumping up right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.